Oh, there was one. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys saw my rod bend or not, but that trout was big. What's up, you guys? A little different setting here today. We're out in the mountains doing some brook trout fishing. Got this nice river, and that spot right there is looking pretty good. Also, I forgot to mention, it is like 30 degrees out here in June, and I'm freezing wearing my big coat, so hopefully we can catch something, because this cold is killing it already for me. But let's get to fishing. Alright, so here, start off with my rig. I'm using tiny hook. Tiny hook right there. What I'll do is I'll get a split shot. And a tip for you guys: if you guys put on a split shot and it keeps on sliding down, so what you want to do is measure out where you want your split shot to be. I like to keep it 6 to 8 inches above the hook. And what I like to do is I like to put the line through it once and then come back all the way around like this and put the line in a second time. So essentially you're making a loop in the split shot, and you just bite down on there. And once you have that pinned down, that split shot's not moving up or down, so you don't have to worry about constantly sliding it back up into place. Then what I'll do, grab a little piece of night crawler and just thread it on your hook. Just like so. And you're ready to catch some fish. Cast it into the pool down there and just slowly bounce it. Now when these brookies bite, it's like a tap 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 sort of motion, like they're pulling on it. So then you can most of the time just drill right into them. Well, I wouldn't say drill right into them, but what I meant was like set your line, set your hook. Let's try it again. Long cast down there. There's one. There's one. Let's go. Oh yeah. Let me show you guys this brookie. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. If I can get a hold of him. Look at this, you guys. Beautiful. The most beautiful trout, in my opinion. The brook trout. First one. Carrying very light today. I just got fanny pack full of all my hooks and stuff. And I got a little bucket right here with some night crawlers and to throw my fish after I catch them. Whenever you're river fishing, you want to carry light so that you're always mobile, and so that once you hit one pool like this and you feel like you've caught all the fish or the fish won't bite no more, you want to carry light so that you can just move on to the next spot without having to carry a bunch of gear, and that's too much of a hassle. So what I like to do is I like to carry light, and so that it's just easy to move on from there. Oh, there was one. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys saw my rod bend or not, but that trout was big. Let's see if we can get him again. I don't know if they'll hit again. That guy was big. This pool over here is almost like guaranteed to catch one. Guaranteed. Just gotta get it in the right spot. There you go. Oh, yep. There you go. Guaranteed. Oh, no. This one. Big one. Monster. Oh my god. That was a monster. Brown. Brown, baby. Brown trout. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that good, but beautiful. There's one. Rookie. Yep. Rookie. Look at those orange white fins. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful fish. There's one. Brown. Beautiful brown. Right there. Nice. There's one. I saw him eat it. Brookie. BROOK Trout. Right there. Beautiful. They're stacked up in this little pool right here. Just kind of let the current take it. Just let it sit there. I have one. Little baby. Rookie. Pretty little guy. Pretty. There's one right there. Another brookie. Really nice. See that right there? I'm gonna catch fish in it. Check this out. Just like that. BROOK Trout. Rookie. Rookie. Right there. Alright. See that stump right there? Calm water. Little piece of worm. Like that. Just thread it on the hook. Don't have to look pretty. Boom. Just like that. Hook right at the bottom. Yeah. Beautiful. Gonna let this trout go. There he goes. Yeah. Rookie. On the worm. Look at the patterns on his head. Beautiful. We switched to a smaller stream. And gotta be pretty dang sneaky to get these fish to bite. Just drop it in the hole like so. Just jig it around until you feel them bite it. There, like that. Oh, that was a small one. This one. Another small one. Oh my god, this guy's tiny. Look at that. Size of my hand. Tiny. No way. What? They keep coming off him. Alright.
I'm gonna go down here. Follow me, right?
Jeez. Nice. You guys can see how deep this hole is. Just a perfect little spot for a bunch of brookies to be hanging out right here. Got him, Liam. Right here, Liam. Okay. Chunky little guy.
Oh.
Here. Okay. Yeah.
You know how to.
He's on. He's on. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Reel it. Oh. Here, Liam. Here, Liam. He's on. He's on. Here, get him.
Oh my goodness.
Get him, Liam. Bring him over here. Okay, stop reeling.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
I got a bigger one.
Hurry, 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 hurry. Let us see. Let us see. This way. You got him.
Oh.
You got him.
Good job, Linda. Oh.
Here, let me get him for you.
Oh my goodness. Why do I keep getting fish? I'm a boss.
Okay, here you go. We are gonna fish for a little bit longer, but I just wanted to close the video right here. And we caught a lot of brookies in this tiny stream right here. Behind us. Caught a lot, huh, Liam? Yes or no?
We caught a lot.
All I was using was a little hook with a worm and a split shot. And it does a trick for these little brookies and they love it. Lost a couple just because they don't get hooked very well, but we had fun. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions. And like this video, share it. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.